Luckily, we're going through some training today, but I don't have to go down to the metro area, so I'm getting off, right? You see all that mess up there, so I'm gonna get up. This is now the Cloverleaf, and if you go too fast here, you're gonna go off into the ditch. I've had a couple of clients go too fast. We went into the ditch. We had to get the tow truck. So this is confusing. You got to arrow to the left and right. We're gonna be making a left turn. And I want you to see this, so I look, and then I go into my turn really, yeah, there's really a traffic jam up there. So going around this curve, and a lot of clients go too fast, will end up in the river. And then the next trap is the sunlight and then centrifugal force. I know you're saying, what does this have to do with driver's education and traps? People go too fast around curves and you'll end up going into the water. So we want to get back on the interstate, and we got a blinking yellow, so we come up and we are yielding to traffic, and I see a gap.